Welcome back to today's video. On today's video, we are going to be looking at step by step on how to register for FORSAGE. Before we continue, I'm going to be showing you the apps that we're going to be needing for this registration. One of the app is called Luno app. Luno app is the app that will help you to exchange your money from whatever currency you use in your country to the Ethereum, because it's Ethereum will be going to be using on FORSAGE platform. Now let's look at the Ethereum and see how the Luno app and see how it goes. Now this is Luno app. When you click on Luno app, it will give you the access to buy, to input your MasterCard, your local MasterCard, or your internet bank method you want to use to buy the Ethereum. Is going to give you the access to put it. Now when you open the Luno app, this is how it's going to look. Now when you come down to buy, then enter the amount you want to buy here. And then when you enter the amount, let me put something like this. Maybe I want to buy the one of, let me just enter any amount. You can see it's already converting it to the Ethereum here. You can see it. Now I'm not going to buy anything. I'm just showing you just for tutorial purpose. Put the amount you want to buy here, the amount of the Ethereum you want to buy. Just click on buy. When you click on buy, it's going to take you to a page that you will put your account details or your card details, and then there where you put all the information that is needed. Once you are done with that, just come and click on this wallet here. Once you click on wallet, you will see buy, you will see sell, you will see send and receive. Now what you are going to do, remember, when you are buying, what you will buy, when you come here to buy, please, what you are going to buy, don't click on Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin we're buying, please. We are not buying XRP, we are not buying BCH, we are not buying LTC. What you're going to click on is on Ethereum here. When you click on Ethereum, whatever money you enter here in any currency is going to change it to Ethereum here. Do you understand? Whatever currency you're using, before you make the purchase, make sure you click on this place, Ethereum. When you put on this Ethereum and you enter the amount here, don't use this suggested amount. Please enter the amount here, and we are going to be needing nothing less than $10. But I don't even expect you to put $10. Put something like $20, because of the money. The 0.05 Ethereum is going to be equivalent to $10, and there are going to be exchange fees and transaction fees. So please make it up to $20. You see, now when you've done that, just come here, because I know this is not $10, this is not $100. Just click here, enter the amount you want to enter. Once you've clicked on this Ethereum here, then once you've done that, you click on buy. It will give you access to put your information. That's what I said. Once that is done, you've gotten the Ethereum. Just come to wallet here. When you come to wallet here, you will see this Ethereum. The money will be here. They might have converted it from whatever currency you're using here and put it on the Ethereum here. Then you will see, once you click on the Ethereum, you will see buy. This is where the amount of the Ethereum that you bought is going to be. This one is like this because I've used all the Ethereum that is here. I've sent it out. Now you want to send it out, you're going to come here and click on send. You're going to click on send. If you click on send here, it's going to ask you to put the address. Now leave it open like this. This is a tutorial. Let's go and get the address that we're going to put here. Put it down. Now let's go and get our wallet. It is our wallet that we're going to send that money to, and we've not gotten the address. And the address we're going to get is from our Trust wallet. You know, I told you we're going to be needing Luno, where we're going to exchange the money and buy the Ethereum, and then we're going to be needing Trust wallet, where we are going to store the Ethereum, and that is on that same platform that we are going to do our registration. Now let me click on the Trust wallet. This is Trust wallet. I've told you we are going to be needing Luno, and the reason at which we need it is just to do what? To exchange our currency, buy the Ethereum. Now when you come to the Trust wallet app, this is going to look like. Now these are the wallets that I have here. I have Ethereum wallet, I have Bitcoin wallet here, and I have this wallet here. Now you've come, you want to buy, you want to send Ethereum to this account. Just come here and click on Ethereum. When you click on Ethereum, you may not have any, because me, I'm just having some Ethereums here, just is left over after the registration. Now you don't have, you may not have something like this, and your figure here may change. Now what you're going to do, because we're going to send that money from Luno, that Ethereum from Luno, we are sending it straight now to our Trust wallet, where we are going to be using it for this registration. Now click on copy. You see, you look at the copy address. Now you need to go back to Luno. You can see on Luno is still waiting for the address. Now when you take it, when you go to the Trust wallet, you copy the address, you come back to Luno, you come and input the address. Look at it here. You see, you paste the address that you copy from your Trust wallet. I'm not going to click next because I don't want to send it. I'm only doing it for tutorial purpose. Now after that, I've told you the reason at which you need this Luno is to get is to exchange our currency and then buy our Ethereum. And now I've told you how you're going to send the Ethereum to Trust wallet. Once you click on that, you will see the money will come here. The Ethereum will come all the way from Luno to here. That is how to send it. You copy the link here, the address here on the address of your wallet, your Trust wallet. Go to Luno and paste it on the send link, on the send address, the blank place for putting address, and the money will come here straight away. Having done that, let's get going. Now you come back here, you come and click here on your Trust wallet. Click on these 4 dots on the Trust wallet. Now the link of the FORSAGE registration I'm going to put under this video description. You're going to copy it and come here and do what? You're going to paste it here. Let me go and copy one for tutorial purpose. Let me copy one here. Let me copy this one. Yeah, look at it. This is how the link I'm going to put on the video description is going to be. Now you're going to bring it here on the Trust wallet. You come and paste it here. Look at it. Paste. You see, then I click here. It will search. Now it's going to take me to a page where the registration will be done. It's going to take me to the page where I will be demanded to input. If you are someone that have not registered before, you will see a link that will say register. And then if you have registered before, you will see a link that will say login. Look at it, it's booting. It's loading. Once it loads now, and the load it completes, it's going to take us straight. Look at is opened now. This is the FORSAGE platform. This is the FORSAGE platform. If you come here and you discover that this is not in English, or if your language is not English and is any language you like, you can choose any from here: Italian, French, and all that. So, but for me, I love English. I'm going to be using English, so you will leave it to be on English. Then you come down and you will see the first ever 100% decentralized. You will see link, join now, login, and all that. So we're going to click on join now. Now when we click on join now, it's going to load and take us to another page. Now look at the page that is now taking us to a page that will say register. But please don't click on this register, because it's not going to register you. Rather, it will take you back. Now the first thing you need to do is to come and click this Ethereum here. Click it. Look at it. You click. When you click it, it's going to load. And then if you have money there, that's okay. It will show you a link that will say approve payment. Do you understand? And then you're going to click on that link, approve payment, and you will see your registration will be done successfully, and it will take you to your home page, where you will see your own referral link. You see all the details you need to see there. Do you understand? Now, having said that, I have told you that if you need any assistance during the registration, just feel free to call me. feel free to send me message on that telegram group. I'll be there to answer you. You please don't call. I may not answer call, but messages I do reply messages. Now I need to get a link out to show you how it's going to look, how the Trust Wallet, your how your platform is going to look once the registration is completed. Let me get an ID here and do a demo for you, so that you see, so that you not get confused and say, is this where I'm supposed to be? Maybe you've made mistake. Now after you've done the registration, you're going to get something like this. This is a demo of what you are going to get after the registration is done. Once you've done the registration and it's completed, you're going to enter, you are going to get to a page that we look like, yes, thank you. I remember I told you that once you're done with the registration, you're going to meet a page that will look like this, that you see the matrix, how the people you are inviting, how they're growing, and how they're inviting people. Make sure you follow them up, and you also please don't relax. Do invite as many people as you can, because the more people you invite, the more money you stand to make. I've told you I'm going to leave my referral link down this video description. Please make sure you register with my referral link, so that you grow with our team. We're actually doing great, and with you we know we'll do better. So use my referral link down this video description. Then I've told you the link to the Trust Wallet, I'm going to leave it down there. Please download it through our link, the Luno app, so that if you have any issue, you feel free to get back to us. I'm so glad to have you today. I don't want to waste more time on this video, because I don't want just to keep you watching video. We are done for now. But if you feel that there are some things that we left that you did not get, please feel free to chat us up on the Telegram group. I've told you the link is going to be in the video description. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative video like this. Thanks for staying with us. Bye.